Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the date and time format on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application you should see the home page, the My Day page. Now tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on the Garmin devices, and this should bring you to the devices page. On it you should see your Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices connected to your phone. Tap on it to select it, and this will bring you to the device page for your Vivosmart 5. Now scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here you should see options like time format and date format. So let's change the time format first. So tap on the time format and you can select 12 hours or 24 hours. Select the one you like by tapping on it. Next we have the date format, and here we can change between month/day or day/month. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And once you're done, go back to the device page of your smartwatch and make sure that your, or rather smartband, not my bad, but make sure that your band is synced with your phone. So you can force sync it by tapping on this button and wait. And once the devices are done syncing, the settings should be applied. So if we wake up the screen, you can see that the clock is in 24-hour format, and also we have the day first and then oh no, it doesn't show the month, but basically the date also changed. Okay, now we can close the application, and that's how you change the date and time format on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.